What if I told you that DJI might have just created the most disruptive action camera we've seen in years? One that doesn't just improve a few specs here and there, but potentially rewrites the expectations of what a compact camera can do. Because according to leaks, rumors, and industry whispers, the DJI Osmo Action 6 could arrive with a combination of features that finally close the gap between traditional action cams and full-fledged mirrorless cameras, all while keeping a pocket-sized form factor. And that's why this story matters so much. Because if you've ever filmed your adventures, your workouts, your travels, or your creative projects on an action camera, you know the usual complaints: grainy low-light footage, blown-out highlights, shaky stabilization when things get too rough, batteries that drain too quickly, and software that feels limited. But these rumors suggest that DJI wants to tackle nearly every one of those issues head-on. And at the heart of this excitement is the possibility of a 1-inch sensor, which is absolutely massive in the world of action cameras because most competitors use sensors around half or even a third of that size. And the difference is like comparing a tiny bathroom window to a giant skylight. More surface area means more light, cleaner shadows, better highlight recovery, smoother gradations, and a shallower depth of field that finally gives that cinematic separation between subject and background. And while GoPro and Insta360 have fought hard on resolution and stabilization, they've never given us a true 1-inch sensor in a body this compact. So if DJI delivers on this, the Action 6 could instantly set itself apart, especially when paired with the leaked video modes. Because reports mention 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at up to 120 frames per second, and 1080p at a staggering 240 frames per second. And beyond resolution and frame rate, we also hear about 10-bit color and the D-Log-M profile, which means footage can be pushed much further in post-production, opening creative flexibility for professionals who want to match B-roll from an action cam with footage from their larger cinema cameras. But as exciting as all of that sounds, it naturally raises the first big concern because 8K is demanding, not only on memory cards, but especially on heat management. Since cramming that much data through a tiny processor and a small sealed body tends to generate temperatures that can shut cameras down. And it's not a coincidence that leaked images show a slightly bulkier housing with ribbed surfaces around the lens assembly, likely a design move to improve airflow and heat dissipation, which suggests DJI knows this challenge and is actively trying to engineer a solution. And that design tweak fits with another rumor, which is that waterproofing will remain a key feature with the Action 6, being able to dive 18 to 20 meters without a case. So whatever cooling they've built in still needs to be sealed and rugged, which is no small feat in design terms. Now, aside from raw imaging power, stabilization has always been DJI's crown jewel. And leaks suggest the Action 6 will ship with RockSteady 4.0, their latest evolution of digital stabilization, as well as improved HorizonSteady, which promises to keep the horizon level even during complete flips or rolls. So imagine skiing down a slope, launching off a jump, spinning in the air, and still landing with footage that looks like it was shot on a perfectly leveled tripod. That's the magic DJI is chasing here, and while software stabilization always involves some cropping of the frame, the beauty of having a larger sensor is that you can crop in without destroying image quality. So this pairing makes sense and could be the smoothest stabilization yet seen in an action cam. But perhaps the strangest and most intriguing rumor is the smartwatch integration. Because leaks point to deeper pairing with Apple Watches and Garmin devices, letting them function not just as start-stop remotes, but as live monitors and data overlay hubs. Meaning your watch could show a live preview of the Action 6 feed, let you switch shooting modes on the fly, and even inject telemetry like heart rate, cadence, altitude, speed, or dive depth directly into your footage, all in real time. And for athletes and adventurers, this is a big deal, because a mountain biker can now show their exact speed on screen. A diver can show depth changes, and a runner can show heart rate and pace, without adding clunky third-party overlays and editing. And while it's ambitious, especially given how finicky Bluetooth and Wi-Fi syncing can be, if DJI nails this integration, it could truly differentiate the Action 6 from its rivals. Because it blends the quantified self-data culture with the creative storytelling world of action content. And beyond features, the leaks also suggest storage and connectivity upgrades. With 64 gigabytes of built-in storage plus microSD expansion, faster USB-C throughput, Wi-Fi 6 for quicker wireless transfers, and Bluetooth 5.1 for more reliable pairing. And powering it all is rumored to be a 1950 milliamp-hour battery, which is quite a jump from earlier models, promising up to 4 hours of continuous 4K recording under certain conditions. Though real-world numbers are always lower once stabilization, high frame rates or cold weather are factored in, and that's where heat management again becomes the key deciding factor, Because even with a large battery, if thermal throttling kicks in after 20 minutes of 8K recording, creators will be frustrated. And that's why while these leaks paint an exciting picture, it's important to temper the hype with reality. Because we've seen time and again that first-generation firmware or ambitious spec sheets don't always translate into reliable performance. And speaking of firmware, leaks say DJI is also working on smarter software inside the app. With AI-driven scene recognition, auto-editing tools, one-tap highlight reels, and better color presets so that casual users can instantly share polished clips while professionals can dive into D-log workflows. And this dual strategy makes sense because it broadens the camera's appeal across markets. Now, when it comes to pricing, the rumors vary. But most point to a starting range of $329 to $429 for the base kit, and potentially $479 to $579 for Pro or Adventure bundles, which if accurate would put it directly in competition with GoPro's top hero models. And if DJI can undercut them even slightly, while offering a 1-inch sensor and advanced stabilization, it could trigger a serious market shift, though we also need to remember DJI often staggers releases by region, meaning the US might see later availability compared to Asia. And supply chain costs or tariffs could nudge pricing upward, so keep that in mind. Still, the anticipated timeline is mid to late 2025, possibly October, which fits DJI's historical release cycle, and that means we don't have long to wait before we know what's real. But who should actually care about these upgrades? And that's a crucial question. The Action 6 could be a dream machine, offering better colors, smoother stabilization, and improved low-light performance for cinematic shots without needing a gimbal if you're an action sports athlete. The telemetry overlays and stability mean your clips become more engaging and more useful for training or coaching. If you're a traveler, the low-light upgrades mean finally capturing those night markets, neon cities, and beach sunsets without muddy shadows. If you're a hybrid filmmaker, the 10-bit D-Log footage means you can actually intercut Osmo Action 6 B-roll with mirrorless or cinema footage without the color falling apart. And if you're a casual user just shooting family barbecues or vacation hikes, the truth is that older discounted models might still be plenty. So think carefully before chasing bleeding-edge specs. But on the flip side, let's be honest about the limitations we'll probably see. Because overheating during 8K or high frame rate 4K is almost guaranteed, battery life will still shrink faster when advanced stabilization and wireless syncing are enabled. New body shapes may break compatibility with old mounts and accessories. And flashy software features like smartwatch integration will live or die by firmware polish, meaning bugs and glitches are possible at launch. So here's the smartest buying advice. If you need a camera right now, grab last year's model at a discount. If you can wait a month or two, hold out for the announcement and early reviews. And if you're a professional who depends on reliability, wait until the first round of firmware updates before committing. Because day one hardware often ships with quirks that get patched later. And to wrap it up, the DJI Osmo Action 6, if even half of these leaks are correct, is one of the most exciting action camera upgrades in years. Not because of just one flashy feature, but because of the way all the pieces fit together. The larger sensor, higher frame rates, stronger stabilization, deeper connectivity, smarter software, and competitive pricing, which together could shift the market in DJI's favor. So the bottom line is that this camera looks hyped,